It might be another day where I can't leave. Oh my goodness, I think they're about to dump the wall again. They're changing out, y'all, I don't have time to do anything. They keep changing out the wall so fast. Y'all, OMG, oh my God, I'm sweating. Put down the window. The bins was so good. Let's go on a thrifting adventure at the Goodwill Outlet bins. All right, I was just told that they just refilled both of the sides of walls. So let's dig here first. All right, looks like hats, purses, the music is loud, toys. Sorry, I got a phone call, so I've been digging without y'all. And then they just brought out a new bin. I got this stack of drawers for organizing. This is great in my workshop. I love that it's clear so I can see through it and label it. And then I got these. Oh, you know what? I actually think this is supposed to be a tiered tray and it's missing the piece. Maybe I should go back and look through the bin if I could find it. If not, these are just great to have in your DIY stash and you can paint them and upcycle them. And just some small little things. Cute little snowman, soccer ball for Waylon. Here is a pewter rabbit. I was so excited when I found this. I've found one like this before, but it was actually salt and pepper shakers, but this is not. This is an actual tiny globe, which will be perfect for my trinket tray if Waylon doesn't steal it. He has a collection of globes as well. And look at this little tiny doll right here. Oh my goodness, I think they're about to dump the wall again. I'm gonna have to go, I didn't finish digging on this side, but I just found this. This is from Rifle Paper Company. They always have the cutest patterns of stuff, and it doesn't look like this tote is being sold anymore. It's in really good condition. It looks like there's a little bit of wear right here, but that's all I see. So we're gonna get this little cute tote. Oh my gosh, y'all, I didn't finish digging. And they're about to do this wall. I was told they just put this out before I walked in. I found this and thought of you. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Thank you. We gotta rescue it before they dump all these bins. I haven't even had time to dig. It might be another day where I can't leave. Everybody's freaking out because they just changed these walls and they're dumping them again. I found this. My daughter loves this little cute, weird handmade pottery, so I'm gonna bring this little snowman for her. Where's this piece? Oh, it's a big block. Don't need that. Scooter. Blinds, and it's like lots of stuffed animals. They have a few furniture pieces. Looks like this one is already sold. Some end tables. This chair has been here for a long time. If anybody is needing a power wheelchair, I don't know if it works or not. They keep lowering the price, so now it's $30. It's a dresser. I don't know what this is right here. Y'all, somebody just went ahead and took the whole bin and put it in their cart. Not sure if that's allowed or not, but that's what happened. All right, they brought a new bin. All I got was this bag of dried floral. I want to open it up and look at it better. I pulled a few pieces out. These will be so cute to put in apothecary jars. I think this is lavender right here. Oh, how about I look at the label? Lavender and forget-me-nots. All right, they are almost done filling the wall. You got to stand behind the yellow line and they will let you know when you can pass the yellow line and dig. All right, let's go. Oh, that's cute. Found these. Oh my gosh, I want to take this whole bin like that lady did. Can I just take this and add it to my cart? Look at these little weird puppies. I think they go in that basket. It's a bunch of bubble wrap stuff. I'm gonna have to open up. Ooh, a pipe. This is why I normally don't film when they change out the walls, because it's just craziness. All right, I had to come unload my hands. I forgot to get a bag. So that way I could keep digging. You just throw it in your bag and keep digging. Today has been an amazing day at the Goodwill Bins, but it is not over yet. We're going to get back to our Goodwill treasure hunting, but first I want to tell y'all about my next Would Not sale. I have them every Thursday at 11 a.m. Central Standard Time. So everything that I thrift in today's video and more beautiful vintage home decor items that we love will be available on my next sale. And if you're brand new to Whatnot, make sure you use my link in the description or scan the QR code on my screen, because you're going to get a $15 credit to use on Whatnot. And if you have no clue what Whatnot is, y'all come over, check it out, come hang out with me. It is an app where all day long they have different auctions going on. You can just scroll, and anything and everything you could be interested in, I guarantee you there's an auction going on. You want vintage glass, you want jadeite, you want cute minis, you want hens on a nest, you want designer clothing, designer bags, you want live plants, literally anything you can find on Whatnot 24/7. So if y'all have not come over to Whatnot, come check it out. Come hang out with me Thursday. It is going to be tons of fun, and everything is pre-listed if you want to check it out. If you cannot make it to the sale, you can go ahead and pre-bid and still win some of these amazing items. Now, let's get back to the amazing thrifting adventure. That was absolute craziness. Let's do a haul because I don't even know what I got. All right, this is beautiful. I did not realize it said fresco on there, but I'm thinking 4th of July Americana decor. This would be beautiful. Maybe I could put a little vintage thing right over this because I do love the stitching on here. Love that piece. Sorry, y'all. I am keeping that. Oh my gosh. They're changing out, y'all. I don't have time to do anything. They keep changing out the walls so fast. I don't know what these are. They look like wood. I just grabbed them, but actually, I think there are some vintage buoys. Let's take them out of the bag, see what they look like. These are so pretty. You're going with a nautical theme. I love these, and I feel like you could put a candlestick in there. All right, that was a good grab. Oh, look, I forgot what I grabbed. She is precious. I'm getting all the vintage Christmas while they are putting it out right now. 2 blue candlesticks. Cute little brass pot. I'll just remove all of the Christmas stuff on it. Made in India. And I love it when it has feet. This needs to be cleaned big time, but it's a set of bookends with these very heavy brass train pieces. These are super heavy, definitely older. Don't see any markings on them. These guys are weird, but that's why I have to have them. And I think they go in the baskets. And there's not only one, but there's 2 of them. I don't think they go in these baskets, but these baskets are really cute as well. Hanging basket with a cover. I'm not sure if this train goes with this set, but they were definitely at the same place because look, all the yuckiness is the same. But this is a bank, and it looks copper to me. But this looks brass. I cannot believe this was at the bins. I got a ton of these old pipes. Look at this one. Super long. I'm not sure if these are worth a lot of money, but I was definitely grabbing them because they are really special looking. I especially like this black one right here. If you know anything about these, definitely drop me a comment. So this was a really good haul just from that wall of bins right there. Actually, most of this came from that one bin. Luckily, it was the first one I went to. Ah, they did the other side. Let's go dig. All right, I grabbed a bag, so I'm not in the same situation. Looks like they're still putting out a lot of Christmas. Some kind of handmade door hanger, I think. What is this? It looks vintage. Lights blinking, jeweled star on top. I wonder if this works. All right, got a few things in my bag. Let's do an unboxing. Okay, I did get this because I feel like you're gonna yell at me if I don't. Little kitchen tool with chippy handle. All right, this is plastic but adorable. I don't know where this is from. It looks like an older tag. It says Empire. Is a bunny rabbit basket, and the ears are the handle. I think that's precious. I'm wondering if I could paint this to make it look like ceramic instead of plastic. I got not one, not two, but 3 doll heads. I wonder if I should just start collecting dolls and do a whole doll whatnot show. What is this? Oh yeah, I don't know what these are. Are they salt cellars? I have some already made of alabaster, and I just think they're cute. I pick them up. I haven't sold any. I'm just hoarding them for some reason. And a adorable little false graph crock. Oh, these are some little figurines, you know, for your Christmas villages. I wanted to look through them and see if I wanted any for trinket shelves. So these are perfect to add to your little trinket shelf collection at Christmas time. Here is some pretty creamy white knobs. Y'all, they are all crazed. Do you see that? And there's a bunch of them. We are going to rescue all of them. Look how many they had. Look how beautiful, y'all. How is this piece still here and it's not broken? I love this. And somebody just put this up here. Here's another one, but it's missing. It's missing its puppy. I am not bringing this home, but do y'all know how much this sells for? I can't believe nobody is grabbing this giant giraffe. They're about to change these walls. I've been having to use the restroom forever, and I couldn't because they keep changing out stuff so quickly. So I'm gonna run and go to the restroom before they do this wall. OMG. No wonder they're changing out the bins so fast. I have never seen it this full over here. All right, I got 3 things off of that wall. Got this cute little white house right here. It does have foam on the inside, so I could add some Christmas trees or whatever, and already has a brass bell. I need to figure out what this is. Somebody handed it to me. It's a sewing machine, but I think it plays music. And look at this precious plate. It is Avon Easter 1992. I love it. I really wish this was wood and metal. That would make me so excited. I tried it and it doesn't work, but I still think it's really cute. That would look great on a stack of books, so I'm gonna get this even though it doesn't work. It'll just be a piece of cute home decor. Look what I just found. It's for a nursery, but I'm just gonna cut the strings, and these will be some cute little plushies for Ren. Actually, I could keep the string on, and then they could be Christmas ornaments for her Christmas tree, since we did a Baby Yoda one this year. She'll probably want to do it again next year. Score! I found a giant plush spider. I want these all over my house for Halloween. This one, it looks like it hangs, and then all the feet are towards the bottom. Y'all see that? The ones I have are different. All the feet are right here. I have to think about where I'm gonna put this one. Here's some cute little glass Christmas cups. I love the red polka dots. Can y'all see that? I don't know what brand this is. I'm not gonna get them, but I hope somebody else rescues them. They're precious. Look at my cart. I'm gonna have to start bringing snacks and drinks over here. They just brought out a new bin, and I got this Christmas piece. Look at these adorable plates, and it says Korea on the bottom, so I do think that this is vintage. All right, I need another Christmas tree, like I need a hole in my head, right? But look, this is a beautiful cypress tree. It has a heavy pot, so this would be perfect to put on my front porch. And let's go see if it works. All right, we're gonna try it with this questionable plug-in right here. Oh man, it does not light up. But does this plug work? Maybe that's why everything I plug in here doesn't work, because the plug doesn't work. I like the natural wispy look of this. I think it's gonna look beautiful on my front porch. So even if the lights don't work, I'm still gonna get it. I can just remove these and add new ones. Well, my cart is full. Actually, I can't even fit this in my cart. I'm not sure how I'm gonna make it to the register, but today was a great day, and they just keep rolling out more stuff, but I just have to go. I have to move on with my day. So if you remember everything that I purchased, also I noticed this was a rabbit, not a dog. I thought it was carrying a puppy. If you remember everything I purchased, let me know what is your favorite item. I will put a total on the screen of what I spent on this overloading cart full of stuff, and I will see y'all in the next thrifting adventure. And don't forget to come hang out with me Thursdays at 11 a.m. on Whatnot.